Kandao Meeting, the 360-degree all-in-one conferencing camera. Kandao Meeting offers 3 modes for various conference scenarios. It utilizes a unique 360-degree camera to make sure everyone is visible and engaged in the meeting. By using facial recognition, the camera will automatically focus on the speakers, making the remote meeting seem more natural. With an Ultra HD imaging system, it captures panoramic video at 8K resolution to deliver outstanding clear streams. In order to keep the conversation flow, Kandao conferencing camera places 8 omnidirectional microphones on the top to receive sound from all directions, even a voice from 4 meters away. It'll dynamically optimize the exposure and skin tones so you can look great on video in any light. You just need to plug in the USB and press to start. Kandao will directly connect to any popular video conferencing platforms that you like. Kandao Meeting,